था। मेरे रिलेटिव्स आके बोल रहे हैं यार कि क्या झंडा गाड़ दिया तुम लोगों ने यार, मतलब कैसे कर दिया। हम तो बोल रहे ठीक है यार, हम तो फेस है, हमारे पीछे बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मैन बैठे हुए हैं जिनकी गाइडेंस से हम लोग आगे बढ़े हैं। आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू अमरीक जी फॉर योर एक्सेप्शनल लीडरशिप। आई मस्ट से यू आर द काइंड ऑफ OG in this field, I would definitely say. Similarly, on the similar lines, your legal team, operational team, whosoever was behind the a scene, thank you everyone for your efforts. This really means a lot to me. And I would like to share one incident when I asked to that doctor that are we done, kind of. So he said that, Mister, I don't know you, but the person who is with you, I know him more than 5 years or 10 years. I don't remember the exact years. So that I was kind of at that time bragging. Oh my God, my counselor has been so much, known to each and everyone. We are done. हम ऋणी रहेंगे अमरीक जी आपके लिए पूरी entire life. I know जब भी मैं आपके लिए बात करता हूँ, मेरी फैमिली में मेरे रिलेटिव्स हैं जिनको मैं रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं, मैं और राजेश जी, I cannot tell you the emotion we comes out when we take your and your team.
I think I don't have proper words to express my thanks for MCMF and the great team who have worked so hard for us.
जो मेरे बच्चे का स्कोर रहा, I honestly feel कि उसके स्कोर पे he has ended up at a very very good place which we had not even initially thought of.
Very well organized team, very attached to each other, very well coordinated.
और आपकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट तो सर मेरे को लगता है वो मैं कभी भूलूंगी नहीं। मैं पहले भी आपको बोल चुकी हूँ। And one word I would like to add for the parents who might be your prospective customers or associates कि सबसे honest and authentic and factually correct and professional services के लिए you must consider MCMF.
With the help of MCMF, we have arranged more than 20 documents which was not into the list. And initially I was worried why the MCF team is asking so much document which is not the part of list or anywhere, any state. Later on, you can't believe that in the Punjab, in the Gujarat, they asked the document, and we had these documents handy, so we did not have much problem. So and the important is that every state side, when you go for the document, it's a physical verification.
Exactly.
So with the help of MCMF, it is good that we did not have any hassle, and your team and you yourself is present. Day one I visited, so it was very things were in detailed discussion. We have been told every step what kind of services you provide basically, and in which service what you are giving to that. And even if you don't take the service, still the support was there. But once we choose it, and that there is a different WhatsApp group has been created, email group has been created, every information we are getting, right? The people are available day and night whenever you on the call. Maybe sometime I do the late evening call due to the time difference between my country and India. So the support system is very good, but it's in NRI, it is next to impossible to do everything own. So it is highly recommended to take the consultant. And if we come from the MCMF, yes, there's a specialization into the NRI side, definitely, which I face. They will help you to give the best possible option, and they will easy the journey.
MCC में हमने अप्लाई किया कि हम लोग NRI कैटेगरी में हमारा कन्वर्जन हो जाए. Thank God your entire team was available the entire night on that particular day with me to complete my documentation. I wanted a professional brother. I wanted a professional friend who's a professional also at the same time, who's understanding me as a parent also, sir. Do you remember हम जब राजस्थान में लॉबी में बैठे हुए थे, तो जितने भी स्टूडेंट आपको मिलने आ रहे थे, आपको मत्था टेक रहे थे. मैंने बोला सर, जिंदगी में अगर कुछ कमाई होती है तो ये होती है जब आके स्टूडेंट्स आके अपने सर को, अपने प्रोफेसर को आके मत्था टेकते हैं, ठीक है, और आशीर्वाद लेते हैं. प्रोबेबली सबसे बड़ी ब्लेसिंग ही वो होती है इसी काम के अंदर. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर मेकिंग us as your family and making us as a part of this entire journey, sir. Thank you so very much, sir. Really appreciate, sir.
डॉक्टर अमरीक एंड उनकी टीम इतनी प्रॉम्प्ट थी हर चीज में कि फ्रॉम द राइट फ्रॉम द फॉर्म फिलिंग to getting all the details in place, sending us all the notifications from the MCC and NTA. हर चीज की जानकारी हमें टाइमली मिल गई थी, हम निश्चिंत थे क्योंकि सारी चीज तो आपकी टीम ही कर रही थी। लीगल टीम का कोई जवाब नहीं है। उनकी ड्राफ्टिंग वो जो भी आपको याद होगा कि एक आध एप्लीकेशन हमने दी है और एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्ट्री को भी भेजी थी टू गेट सम इंफॉर्मेशन। तो उसको जब मैंने पढ़ा तो आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड कि इस लेवल की डेप्थ नॉलेज जो है, मेरे ख्याल से आपकी बहुत ही ज्यादा है। यू हैव नो कंपटीशन इन द कंट्री एज फार एज एनआरआई कोटा इज कंसर्न फॉर नीट, यूजी एंड पीजी। आपकी टीम में जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं, आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू एवरीबॉडी। मैं हाथ जोड़ के बहुत मतलब धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा एंड थैंक करना चाहूंगा आपकी टीम को। टू बेसिक थिंग्स दैट आई फील इज द यूएसपी ऑफ एमसीएमएफ। वन इज द इन डेप्थ नॉलेज ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट दैट यू आर डूइंग। यूजी एंड पीजी की नीट की जो काउंसलिंग है, यू आर द मास्टर्स इन दैट। एंड सेकंड मैं कहूंगा जो कमिटमेंट है एक एक टीम मेंबर की।
For me specifically, when I was searching for a very good mentor and I saw some amazing reviews for Amrik sir, so I thought he is best. Any question, any time we ask, Amrik sir is always there. So I think my documentation preparation from day one was like really smooth. So it was very clear instruction and all good support.
It was excellent journey for us, from documentation, from guidance. You actually came in person. That was also very good. So it was really good experience in terms of that whole journey, I would say. I mean, 10 on 10 shared short number hoga. When there are counselors like you guys doing fantastic job with good experience, and also we must avail. Every time only you guys are experienced to say that अगर last month में कुछ गड़बड़ होती है तो how to handle that.
Right, it's very much right.
In NEET registration process to the admission, the complete process gone very smoothly, and I really thankful to you guys. In the documentation process, physical presence of yours, and especially you sat with us for the previous day night, checked all the documents one by one, verified everything is in order. So that is actually given more confidence that tomorrow nothing is going to happen and everything will be okay. I would also like to thank full MCMF team. They guided us, like whenever I call them, I text them, they were available. So I highly recommend your service to the parents who are actually looking for admission in NRI quota in India. I can say if someone is chosen you, definitely they will get the seat.
The clarity I had from the very beginning on what is required from me as a sponsor was very clear. And we have had few calls, where I had certain doubts. You yourself came on the call and you told me, Prashant, this is what you need to do, this is what you need to do. So I was crystal clear on the documentation that has to be done. What I was super impressed was the response time from your team and yourself on every matter. In the entire process, मुझे इंडिया का मेडिकल प्रोसेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता था फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग, कि कैसे एडमिशन होती है, क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता। अब मुझे लगता है कि मेरे को बहुत कुछ पता है बिकॉज you explained everything. आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा तरीके से समझाया है, एंड वी आर ब्लेस्ड that we had this opportunity to work with you in the entire journey. वाहेगुरु का शुक्र मनाते हैं कि जब आपको अच्छे दोस्त मिल जाते हैं, अच्छे गाइडेंस वाले मिल जाते हैं, तो ऊपर वाले ने कुछ हमारे हाथ में आपको लाके दिया है.
Each step, you have guided us. You have been there with us. So I personally feel I would highly recommend MCMF team to all my reference, all my friends and colleagues in the industry, for sure for that. And I really thank you from my heart, the way you have handled the entire admission process for Krish.
My experience is NCMF is my experience has been elating. It has been delightful with these guys. They have been there, and like I said in the beginning also, they have become part of my family. You have enabled the realization of a dream of a family.
की तरफ से पूरा सपोर्ट मिला, गाइडेंस मिली, उसके लिए मैं थैंक यू बोलती हूँ सर आपको.
सर, ये जो मेडिकल की काउंसलिंग है ना, ये बहुत ही अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है. आपको बताया कुछ जाता है और आपसे मांगा कुछ जाता है. वहाँ आपके जो कागज हमें मिलते हैं, जो आप बोलते हैं कि ये कागज तैयार कर लीजिए मैम, ये भी कर लीजिए, तो वो बहुत हेल्प रही हमारी.
This journey would never been possible without your constant support. And it was means not only you, your counseling team, everyone was responding like day and night. The day we signed up with you, the kind of trust that we have seen, the shine that you have in your eyes, like it was enough for us to have trust on you. Like all the doubts were pretty much cleared. We had multiple sessions of counseling with you, right from the application process to the documentation to the final admission. Your team has taken us in every step.
making this entire process well smooth and stress free. I sincerely thank to you, Dr. Amri, your entire team for all your efforts in helping Anushka's achievement. And of course, it's a great milestone for us. All the emotions we have means we were not being able to express throughout this journey. Since we are on this Zoom call, maybe if we were physically be present, maybe you must have seen all the tears in our eyes that day. But we really appreciate all your professionalism. I should give you one name, the Stress Buster. So you always act like a stress buster. Thank you.
आपने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स में इतनी सपोर्ट की कि हर चीज का ड्राफ्ट आता गया, बस हम साइन करते गए। इवन जो इंडिया में डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी करने से, क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ थे सर, तो इंडिया के डॉक्यूमेंट्स भी आपकी टीम ने वहाँ आपने सपोर्ट की, सारे डॉक्यूमेंट आपने ही बनवा के दिए। तो बिल्कुल कंफर्ट जोन में बैठ के यार ऐसे भी हो सकता है, भगवान ऐसे भी हेल्प करता है क्या, मतलब इतना खुश हो गया हम लोग। ये सिर्फ MCMF की वजह से हुआ सर। इमीडिएट मैसेज किया और आपकी टीम एक्सीलेंट सर, और जैसे मैसेज किया, लेट नाइट मैसेज किया, उसी टाइम आ गया। स्पेशल थैंक्स तो आपको है ही। तरुण जी जो वहाँ पे आए थे एडमिशन के टाइम, लास्ट मोमेंट सर, लास्ट मोमेंट तक वो मेरे साथ रहे, हर जगह सपोर्ट की उन्होंने भी।
Time is no bar for you guys. We called up. I know I called you up 11:30. I called you up in the night, but promptly you responded. You picked up the call. Preparation that you have done for us. So that is the most important part for a counselor, and 100 out of 100 for you guys.
At 11 o'clock in the night, if Shikha ma'am will remember, then I wrote a WhatsApp message. I am interested in the admission in NRI quota or whatever you will suggest. Immediately she sent me so many videos. I saw that videos. Then we booked the Zoom meeting very next day with you. After talking with you, then I understand the process of and I got the confidence in you then, because everything was very professional way. You step by step fees deposit is there, and there will be the agreement, signed agreement. So that was that I understand it is the genuine firm. Then we go ahead with that. And lot of time I stuck so many times in the payment also, in the document attestation also, in the fees also. But in a minute, in the some certificate also, yes, I was stuck in getting here. But when I talked to the Amrik sir, yes, immediately within that 10 minutes or 5 minutes maximum, I got the solution and I came out from that stucking. I remember. And within half an hour, I got the drafted letters, responses to the admission committee, but we have to send them. As a parents, we should also, when we have engaged the counselor, we should strictly abide the instructions, the advice the counselor is giving. As far as documents, we should not understand like unnecessary documents he is asking. Lot of documents was not asked. I know, yes, lot of documents were not asked in the documents verification part or something. But if asked, then what would be the situation that time? अगर वो हमारे पास डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं होता।
ये आपकी टीम और आपका सपोर्ट था जिसकी वजह से हमारे पेपर्स बिल्कुल अप टू डेट थे और कोई हम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई। एंड यू वर देयर विद हिम। सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट तो यही था वहाँ पर। काउंसलर इज अ मस्ट अगर आप बच्चे को वाकई में इस सीट के लिए जाना चाहते हैं। इट्स अ मस्ट फॉर पेरेंट्स।
बिल्कुल आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
I would like to thank your entire team for your support and guidance.
And in short, if I want to say in one line, your team is they perform very well and they help a lot, and that's the reason today we got GMC Amritsar in first round. Punjab का जो document verification हुआ था, it took hardly 5 minutes.
Right.
So we were prepared even with the photocopy set and everything as per your team advice. But when I was getting time, I was messaging, and your team was there to respond it on the same time. और इवन कभी मॉर्निंग हो गया, अर्ली मॉर्निंग हो गया, it's your team was available all the time, so I couldn't feel there is any gap in communication. So that is the best part of your team.
You guys were available even late night. You guys responded very nicely, very sweetly. Don't worry ma'am. Shikha on that part, I talked with Shikha on many occasions and she was really sweet. Overall, it was a really fantastic journey. Lot of learnings, lot of new things that have come to us.
बहुत मुश्किल था, लेकिन सर ने सारा कुछ आसान कर दिया। सर ने और सर की पूरी टीम ने उसको मतलब जितना डिफिकल्ट ये टास्क था सर ने उतना ही आसानी से सारा कुछ मेरा एडमिशन करवा दिया।
बाकियों के जो मैं देखता था थोड़ा एक कंक्लूसिव उनसे ना मुझे कुछ मिल नहीं पाता था। एक लग रहा था कि शेयर्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके आगे वीडियो पोस्ट करी है। आपका जो वे ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग सिस्टमैटिक वे वो मुझे अच्छा लगा, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड नहीं यार मैं एक, एंड यू वर द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट, आई डिडंट गो टू एनीवन एल्स। आपके पास गया, मीटिंग हुई, हमने लॉक कर दिया, यू नो परफेक्ट, इट वाज ब्रिलियंट। मैंने शिखा के साथ ऑनलाइन रह के आई थिंक एक आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट बट वी हैड स्पोकन लास्ट एट 2:30, शी वाज स्टिल वर्किंग एट नाइट एट 2:30। तो मतलब फोन मैसेजेस, promptness, professionalism. See, हम लोग को ये होता है, you guys are hand, see, and it's like life and death. When you go to a doctor with a illness, you would like to go with the most experience and the best. Likewise with you guys, आपका जो experience है and आपकी team जो है, हम लोग बहुत रेस्ट एश्योर्ड हो जाते, तो we don't even look at anything. Everything is very very transparent and it's just a pleasure. It was a pleasure working with you. और आपके जो अपडेट्स आ रहे थे ना वो इतने अच्छे थे कि मैं ना शो ऑफ करने के लिए दूसरे ग्रुप से डालता था, तो आई शुड बी द फर्स्ट। और बाकियों के शायद 2 दिन बाद आ रहा है किसी का अपडेट, 1 दिन, आप लोग का लिटरली मतलब ताजा ताजा पराठा सर्व हो जाता था। तो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट एडवांटेजेस, जहाँ से मेरी भी इज्जत बनी कि हाँ यार मतलब मेरे लिए भी कुछ हो रहा है, कि लोग मेरे लिए कह रहे हैं कि अंशुमन इज रियली वर्किंग ऑल एंड किंग ऑफ नन। आपके साथ अप्लाई नहीं होता, यू आर किंग ऑफ योर ट्रेड। आप अपनी टीम के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन इकट्ठी करते हो और टीम को फिल्टर डाउन करते हो। जब वो पेरेंट्स से बात करे, दे नो एवरीथिंग व्हाट टू से, दे आर ऑल इन सिंक। सो वर्किंग विद यू इज पीस ऑफ माइंड। दैट्स वन थिंग आई कैन टेल एनीवन हु इज वाचिंग, दैट अगर आपने अपना थोड़ी शांति और सुकून चाहिए, आपको अपने यार आप अपने बच्चे पे फोकस करो, मैं तो कहता हूँ।
बिल्कुल। योर एक्सपर्टीज इन एनालिसिस, द वे यू एनालाइज ईच एंड एवरी पैरामीटर of admission, not only for the current year but based on history data, that really helps to मतलब हम लोगों को एक clarity मिल जाती है कि whether we will go for this or we should not go for certain things. आपका जो legal team is fantastic. I mean the way they analyze, they check thoroughly all the documentation, everything is up to mark, sir.